What's going on, everyone? We are going to take a look at merging carriers inside of your carrier setup here, in case you get any duplicates, which I'm going to show you as an example here. There's 3 duplicates with American States Insurance, Strategic Insurance Corp, ASI, right? There's all kinds of different duplicates that we can find inside of here. Safeco and Travelers are also notorious for downloading several duplicates. But if I wanted to come in here and say, this American Strategic, let's say I wanted to say is the same thing as ASI, all I have to do is click on this trash can button right here. When I do that, it's going to say which policies or which carrier do you want this to be associated with. So once I select one and delete it, so if I just said, ASI, for example, I can select that guy, delete it. I'm not going to do it right now in a live environment, but you can delete that. And then any carrier or any policy that had that American Strategic INS Corp carrier will now have ASI. So that should help a little bit as far as cleaning up potentially duplicates, making the reporting a little bit easier to read as well, just so you have a pretty good idea of where your book stands. Hope that's helpful.